And this is the digital thermometer. It's a TP300. Has a little cover over the end, over the probe itself, so you don't hurt yourself. Comes pre-installed with a battery, so you don't have to worry about that. And to turn it on or off, you just simply hold that button there. It's currently 29.5 degrees Celsius. Press the F, it goes to Fahrenheit 85.1. And if you insert it into your, whatever it is you're cooking, you press the hold button down before you withdraw it, and you can actually take it out and it will retain that temperature, so you can actually read it. There's nice big numbers in here, pretty impressive. Got a little hanging hook on the end here, very lightweight, and well, hopefully it'll do the job. And the battery is an LP44. It has an operating temperature range of between minus 50 degrees Celsius and plus 300 degrees Celsius, or minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit and plus 572 degrees Fahrenheit. And it has auto power off after 10 minutes to conserve the battery.